products can vary in model style. While the model used in this video may not look exactly like your machine, the procedure demonstrated here is virtually identical. Always unplug your machine from the outlet when working around moving or electrical components. If you need to use power while diagnosing an issue, please use caution. Do not use power tools during this procedure. Yes, they can make the job move along more quickly, but they can just as quickly damage your treadmill's components. If you have any questions while watching this video, see the replacement instructions that shipped with the Incline sensor. Remove the motor hood. This will give you access to the Incline motor. This procedure is described in the troubleshooting section of your owner's manual. You can also consult our video that demonstrates this procedure visually. Locate the Incline motor near the drive motor that runs the walking belt. Then locate the sensor cap on the side of the Incline motor. Using a standard screwdriver with a thin tip, carefully pry off the sensor cap from the Incline motor and remove the sensor. Here is a close-up of the sensor cap and sensor removal. Clip and remove any zip ties that are holding the sensor wire to the treadmill frame. Now unplug the other end of the sensor wire from the controller board. Compare the old sensor wire with the wires that came with your Incline sensor kit. Choose the sensor wire that matches the old one exactly. Look specifically at the sensor end of the wire. Take the new sensor wire and insert the sensor into the side of the Incline motor. Then press the sensor cap into place. Now connect the other end of the sensor wire to the controller board. If you need to, use a wire tie to gather the excess length of the sensor wire together and keep it out of the way of moving parts. Now replace the motor hood. With everything back in place, you should now find your Incline working perfectly.